Hi, we'll be looking at this linear inequality. Y is smaller than 2x minus 2. We're asked to plot this inequality and shade the area. Any inequality questions, we have to shade the area that covers the points that satisfy this inequality. Now, solving an inequality in the beginning is nothing different than solving a linear equation. In the previous video, I covered y equals 2x minus 2. And one of the easiest way to solve this is setting y equals 0 for the x-intercept and setting x as 0 and inserting into the equation as to find the y-intercept. Now, coming back to our question is essentially the same. Our points are determined here as 1, 0, and 0 minus 2, right here. But please pay attention as you plot this graph. Unlike an equation, which is a solid line, as you can see in red, our line has to be a dashed line. The reason for that is this inequality, y is smaller than 2x minus 2, does not include y equals 2x minus 2, which is this graph right here. This is y equals 2x minus 2 line. Now, as we plot the graph, the next thing to do is to shade the area. Now, many of my students get confused which area he or she should shade. Now, I believe the best thing to do is to use the origin and insert it into origin's coordinates are 0 and 0. So the easiest thing to do is to insert the origin into the inequality and see if this origin, this point and xy coordinates satisfies our inequality. So let's try. I will insert 0 into y and smaller than 2, 0, minus 2. Again, we're inserting the coordinates of origin as it's the easiest number to work with any inequality or equation. And we insert it into the inequality here. So let's see this if this satisfies. So let's solve this. 0 is smaller than 2 times 0 is 0 and minus 2. Is this correct? No, it is not correct. So any area that is to the left of this equation, y equals 2x minus 2, will not be satisfied. Hence, we have to shade anything, any point that is to the right of this equation. And we're done.